This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mildred Mercado-Emory. Large Pinecrest Duplex with an open floor plan. This 3-bedroom and 2-bath plus additional room could potentially serve as an office or a guest room. Other features include an updated kitchen with plenty of cabinets and a pass-through window adjacent to the family room. Formal living room, dining room, and large family room. Master bedroom with 2 sinks. The property offers a very flexible floor plan. It has a deep lot for great barbecue and entertainment, excellent A-school district. It's a remarkable unit. The unit is about 2,000 square feet, not 3,477 as per tax roll. Noticed, these are stage photos. Read Realtor Remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Mildred Mercado-Emory at 305-785-3262.